Welcome to Winning Products.
Today, they're going to guys with product called the 130 toddler baby head protector safety pad, cushion back prevents injured B, cartoon security pillows. This is a winning product because one is sold online. Secondly, it solves a problem. What problem does it solve? It protects the baby's head from um, back head injury when the baby fall while crawling or while doing other playable activities or activities that may make such baby or toddler fall and hit his or her head on a on an object or a hard object that will injure or cause concussion to the brain of the baby. And currently have 4.9 stars on AliExpress with 1,767 reviews and 7,498 orders. It's sold on AliExpress cost price of 5.30 USD. Comes with different color variation. And the shipping, it can be shipped to the United States. Shipping is to the United States is 4.32 USD from China to the United States via China standard SGS. Then deliveries on May 4. The list on AliExpress is called the Maternity and Baby Care Store. It has been on AliExpress and open since December 2019. You can contact the supplier if you decide to discuss the new under quantity and white label, among others. The market strategy for the product one, um, we're going to use USA and UK Twitter influencers, which are going to elaborate as we progress. Also going to use YouTube search ads. Going to use YouTube and video ads. Also going to use Google search ads. And the proposed trading result for the 1 to 3T toddler baby head potato safety part cushion back. The cost price in that place is 5.30 USD. The total shipping cost is paid, which is 4.32 USD. The gross profit is 20.37 USD if you decide to sell at 29.99 USD. Okay, now let's look at Twitter influencers so you understand what it's all about when selling such a product. Uh, for the Twitter influencers engagement principle, it goes thus. Retweets are equal to shares, while favorites are possibly equal to likes. Twitter influencers should have at least 3,000 followers, consistent 500 retweets, and 3 viral retweets in the last 6 months. Should have 3,500 retweets and 10,000 likes, and tweet at least once a day. Um, Twitter influencers should have at least 3,000 followers, consistent 500 retweets. This is just a repetition, so let it play. Then we'll go further and look at uh, now the notice. Something you need to notice. It's against Twitter policy to put paid promotion on an influencer's bio and tell the Twitter influencers to post it on their actual page. Find two other Twitter influencers retweet that influencers post. Message the Twitter influencers by clicking on the mail icon and sending it. The email you send may not be professional for Twitter influencers, and the reply can be between 24 to 72 hours. What this is trying to say is that it's against Twitter policy to put paid promotion on any Twitter influencers and bio. So if you're going to be using Twitter influencers to sell such products that protects the toddler or baby from backhead, what you should do is you should send them when you click on the mail icon, you send them such mail. Maybe you say paid collaboration with the Twitter influencers. And if you are going to be using selling this products for toddler, you make sure that Twitter influencers you have either have a baby or a family member who just give birth to a baby or have friends who has given birth to a baby. So it will do well if we do such when using Twitter influencers. And if you are selling the product, you send the product with a video of it, or you send product to the Twitter influencers, either the PO box, or you send the product to the Twitter influencers after you must have discussed, and they're going to make a video of it or do a picture of it and post on a Twitter page. And the way Twitter influencers work is doesn't look salesy. They use a cool text signifying the importance of the product. Also, the Twitter influencer should have at least 3,000 followers, consider 500 retweets. I should have 3 viral retweets. In the last 6 months, should have 3,500 retweets and 10,000 likes and should tweet at least once a day. Now, if you get a one Twitter influencer that fits such a product, you can go towards go to follow. You see more relevant Twitter influencers. Now, let's look at this practically. There is Twitter. If you want to search for Twitter influencer, you can use the keyword couples goals, or relationship goals. Once you click enter, it takes you to this page. So once you click on this icon, you'll see the number of followers. You can see 34.7 thousand followers and minimum is 3,000 followers. So let's click on it to see. I click open new tab. Now let's see if it qualifies for to sell such baby products. Uh, you can see um, couples goals to September 5, 2021. Retweet. This is what we call the tweet icon. This is what we call reply. This is what we call like. So let's see if who to follow. This is what I mean by how to follow. I don't see related Twitter influencers to use for such to do your campaign. You can also click and show more to get um, more Twitter influencers too, but you have to check if they qualify for such. It's not all Twitter users are Twitter influencers. So some are Twitter influencers, while some are Twitter users. So when you scroll down, I'm going to check if it qualifies. Now let's click on it again. It does. Let's go back to this. Click on it again. You'll see, and there's no. We're looking at Twitter followers, which is qualifies. They are looking at tweet at least once a day. I can't see any tweets for today. We're looking at 10,000 likes. The likes are good 2021, but what about 2022? 500 and viral retweets. You can't see. So this does not qualify. So this is how you keep checking to see if you find Twitter influencers that fit such a need or, or fits such products that you tend to sell. For Google search ads, let's look at it to sell such baby products. The keywords you use for Google search is exact match birthday gifts. Um, your final URL can be best birthday gifts or best uh, birthday gifts for baby or best babygifts.com. Depending, but when you are choosing a domain name, make sure the domain name is based on the marketing strategy you are using. Um, Something like Twitter influencers, you can use um, bestgiftsforbaby.com or this getthisbabygift.com, something that is relatable to the Twitter audience. Um, Going further, the headline will be headline one for your Google Ads will be best affordable birthday kit for kids. That if you are using this for Google Ads, or if you are so the headline one will be best available birthday kits for kids. Your headline two will be 50% off and free shipping. Your headline three will be 24 hours and support. And so that is your after effective customer service to sell such products. I suggest you have a WhatsApp business. You have a professional email address like support at business name, your business.com or info at business.com or your name at business.com. You should have installed like you should install a chatbot on your e-commerce site like many chatbots. I should have a professional phone number.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.
If you are interested in other winning products topics like how to write a product description, how much does dropshipping business cost, how to name your dropshipping store, among other topics, please click any of the pop-up videos currently showing on your screen. Thank you.